Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy Valentine's Day teardrop door swag. For this DIY, you're going to need one swag, and I believe mine is 28 inches long, and it's just an inexpensive one. I paid around $5 for it. You're going to need 3 different colors of the 10-inch deco mesh, and this is a good project for if you have some leftover mesh. You could use it on this one. First, you're going to want to take your greenery swag and fluff it and make it nice and full, so lift up every branch. Then you're going to take your 10-inch mesh and you're going to cut it into strips at 20 inches. I am using some leftover mesh that I've had left over from some other Valentine's Day wreaths that I made in January. So you're just going to cut your mesh into strips at 20 inches. Next, you're going to roll each end of your mesh and then walk your fingers to meet in the center. Now you have a pretty ruffle. Next, I'm taking a chip clip and just going to put around it because I'm going to be making little bundles using 2 colors of my mesh. Same steps, just roll the ends, then walk your fingers to the middle until they meet, and then you're going to take your other ruffle and put them together. Now you have a bundle. Going to go to the top of my swag on the left side and place it between 2 greenery branches. Now I'm going to do the same thing, the same color pattern on the right side. I put 5 bundles on the left side, 5 bundles on the right side, then 1 bundle in the very center on the bottom, and down the middle I just did single ruffles. You can make this door swag for any season or holiday. I am making mine for Valentine's Day because today is February 2nd, so happy February, everyone. I ordered my 10-inch mesh from Craft Outlet online. So what I did on the left, I did on the right, and then to fill in down the middle or the center, I just did single ruffles, but now at the very bottom, at the tip, I did do a bundle. If you're wanting to make something a little bit different for your door, I have a Valentine's Day Yardstick door swag tutorial. I'm going to link in the description box for you, so if you want to check that one out too, you can. And here's the way the end of the teardrop door swag looks. So it's fuller at the top and a little bit narrower at the bottom. Next, we're going to tie a big bow for the top of the door swag, and I also tied a smaller bow for the very bottom of the door swag. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you don't like this one, I have a bow playlist you can click on, or let me know in the comments section and I'll try to link a different tutorial for you. For some reason, toward the end of this roll of ribbon, it was wrinkled up, so I really don't recommend this specific design or whatever. I've had nothing but trouble with it. It's been taped together and stapled together, so I haven't been very pleased with it, but it turns out to make a pretty bow anyways. And then I'm just adding some 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire on top, and then I'm going to wrap a piece of 20 gauge floral wire tightly around the center of my bow, and then I'm going to dovetail the ends and fluff the loops on my bow. Now leave your wires long, because you're going to take your wires, thread them through your greenery swag, then go to the back and give the wires a few twists, and then cut them off and fold them down. Next, I found this cute sign at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is now $1.25, as yours went up too. And then there's the smaller bow on the bottom, and then I just took the little hearts and I just pulled them, the ribbon just pulled right off the back, and then I just added some hot glue to the hearts and hot glued them onto the wreath. Now just be very careful when you use your hot glue. You could also hot glue pipe cleaners to the back of these hearts and then thread it through the greenery and then twist the pipe cleaners at the back if you don't want to just hot glue them on. Either way will work. I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, so I'm just placing my heart on the wreath just below the bow. Then you'll want to hold it for a little while, let it have time to dry. So I added 3 hearts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this door swag. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you would, I would appreciate it if you would share this video for me. At the very end, I added a couple pictures of Willow. She is now 4 months old, and she is just the cutest, most playful little kitten. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.